Good morning, everyone. Okay, today we want to learn English. Before the lesson, okay, we want to discuss or tell to the teacher what day is today. Okay, 好，今天是星期几？星期四，跟老师读一遍。星期四 ，Thursday。Thursday Thursday Thursday Hari ini hari Kamis Kamis KHA MIS Miss Kamis Kamis KHA MIS Miss Kamis Kamis OK 今天是几年几月几日2020年8月27日，所以我们写的时候就是27横8横2020 OK Today we want to learn the title of what?
Fruit.
Yes.
Fruit.
Fruit. Okay. Fruit.
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 Fruit. Okay. Today we want to learn fruit. Okay. What meaning of fruit? Yes, is 水果. Yes, today we want to learn
Fruit. Fruit. Fruit.
Okay, the first one of fruit we want to learn is what is this? Yes, strawberry. Yes. Okay.
Strawberry. 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 Strawberry.
Okay. Strawberry.
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 Follow teacher 跟着老师 Strawberry.
Strawberry.
Okay, strawberry.
Strawberry. Strawberry.
Strawberry.
Strawberry.
Strawberry. Okay, this is strawberry. Okay. The next one, what is this? Okay, this is 山竹. Yes? Okay, how to read in English called the 山竹 one?
Mangosteen. Mangosteen.
Mangosteen. Okay, mangosteen.
Mangosteen.
Okay, spell MANGOSTEEN.
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 Mangosteen. Okay, mangosteen. MANGOSTEEN.
Mangosteen. Mangosteen. Mangosteen.
Mangosteen. Okay, mangosteen. Mangosteen is 山竹. Okay, the next one. What is this? 红毛丹 Yes.
Rambutan. Rambutan.
Rambutan. Same like the Malay one. Rambutan. Okay. B-U-T-A-N.
Rambutan.
R-A-M-B-U-T-A-N.
Rambutan.
R-A-M-B-U-T-A-N.
Rambutan.
Rambutan. Okay, rambutan is 红毛丹.
Rambutan.
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 Rambutan. Okay. The next one, the last one we learn is, what is this? Yes, it's orange.
Orange. Orange.
Orange.
Orange.
O-R-A-N-G-E.
Orange.
O-R-A-N-G-E.
Orange.
O-R-A-N-G-E.
Orange.
Orange. Orange.
Orange. Orange.